Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Input functions are discussed in this lecture. Input functions are those functions which get data and assign it to variables. The following are some commonly used input functions. First, we will discuss scanf function, which is most widely used function in C language. Scanf function is used to accept values for a variable during program execution. It allows user to run program with different input values without modifying any program statement. With scanf function, a program will not be processed and the result will not be displayed until you type the input values. The format of scanf function is format specifier, which are written in double quotes, ampersand variable 1 up to variable n, and at the last semicolon is written. Variable 1, variable 2 up to variable n are separated with comma. The ampersand symbol represents the address of memory location. In this example, the two variable a and b, their data type is integer, so format specifier d is used for integer. So input value into a and b is done through scanf function. Let's discuss some example. Hash include stdio.h is the header file which contains scanf and printf function declaration. Let's declare variable of integer and also float and also character. A, B are of type integer, C is of float data type, and X is of character data type. Printf is also output function which display message. Let's enter value for a and b. Scanf is input function, so format specifier %d is used in double quotes, and m%a and m%b, which represent the memory location. So the input function will get data and assign it to a and b variable. A printf function again enter value for C, mean floating point, so F is used for floating point. Format specifier F is used. Now again printf function enter value for character, so format specifier %C is used in scanf function for character data type. %C is used for character data type, and m%x, so the value of character data type will be stored in x. So this is very simple to use scanf function for inputting data from keyboard. Now let's display it on the screen. Format specifier D are used for integer, F for floating, and C for character. This is the second example to discuss. This program will input roll number, total marks, obtained marks from keyboard, and will calculate percentage marks. So we need three variable of type integer: roll number, total marks, obtained marks, and for percentage floating point variable is used. Clear screen. Printf enter roll number. So through scanf function, we will enter roll number which will be stored in rn variable. Printf enter total marks. This message will be displayed through printf function %d total marks. Printf enter obtained marks. So scanf function is used to get obtained marks and assign it to variable om. Then percentage is calculated through this formula, and printf is used to display the percentage. So for percentage is in floating point, that's why %f is used to display the percentage in floating point data type.